Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tips Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to bid successfully on Upwork. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now let's teach you how you will be able to bid on Upwork. The first thing you're going to do is of course look for a specific job that you would like to apply to. For example, let's apply for this one, ebook and lead magnet designer. Let's open this and let's simply click on apply now. After that, we will be redirected to the place where we will submit our proposal. And scrolling down, you're simply going to put in your cover letter. So let's say, please consider me. Now, keep in mind, you should make a proper cover letter. We're just going to be creating a random cover letter for the sake of this demonstration. After that, you're simply going to click on send for 16 connects, or you could simply click on set a bid. When you click on set a bid, you will be able to control how much connect you will be able to bid. If you only select this one, you will only select it or send it for the minimum amount of connects to be able to be placed in the rankings over here. So for example, I would like to bid, let's say 18. I can simply click on bid and you will be able to successfully bid on Upwork. So when you click on bid, there we go. You are now the first place in this bid. And that's it guys. And after this, you will be able to click on send for 16 or 18 connects and you will be able to successfully apply for this specific job. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.